that we can hear. It produces when an object vibrates. Ear help us to hear. Noise pollution. Noise pollution can be caused headache, stress, and disturb our sleep. Way to prevent noise pollution. Firstly, use low volume when you turn off TV and music. Two examples of living things and non-living things. Human talk or sing and dog barking. And non-living things. Ringing of a bell and beating of a drum. Pleasant sounds. Pleasant sounds are those which we enjoy to hear. For example, soft music and birds singing unpleasant sounds that disturb us. For example, loud horn, loudspeaker, etc. Example of pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. Pleasant sounds, bird singing and soft music. Unpleasant sounds, loud horn and loudspeaker, etc. Difference between sound and noise. Sound is a form of energy that we can hear. It produces when an object vibrates. Noise is an unwanted or unpleasant sound that disturbs us. Noise is an unwanted or unpleasant sound that disturbs us. It was harmful because it can give headache, stress, and disturb our sleep. Thank you and have an amazing day. I would like my speech.